Hello dear ones, hope you are all safe and fine. Okay, on your online get together regarding Cavanians 2K19, I wish you all a great success and a bright future. Thanks for being a part of your studentship MDC, and my blessings are always with you. Bye.
Hello dear Cavanians 2019 batch. It has been very nice experience for me teaching you all for 1 year. I wish all the success for your future endeavor. Best wishes from my side.
Dear Cavanians 2K19, I wish you all the best and success in celebrating your togetherness.
Hello my dear students, congratulations of completing 1 year of your BDS. It's the first step of your career. Many more steps to come, and all the best for your future endeavor. Stay home, stay safe.
Really appreciate your positive attitude. Congratulations on having completed a year in our MDC family, and wishing you all the very best.
ചിലർ മാറ്റത്തിന് മുഖം തിരിക്കും, ചിലർ മാറ്റത്തിനായി കാത്തു നിൽക്കും, ചിലർ മാറ്റത്തിനോടൊപ്പം സഞ്ചരിക്കും, ചിലർ മാറ്റത്തിന് കാരണമാകും. Cavanians, you have made a change in MDC. All the best.
A day to remember, a day to cherish. Happy anniversary 2019 bachelors.
Dear Cavanians, greetings for completion of your first academic year. I know it has been lots of difficulties we had gone through. It's like the entire ocean is in storm and we are in the storm. Be a teacher, be a student, whoever, we are all in the storm. But you have chosen a family named Cavanians, and they are stronger, dedicated, truthful into their name. So keep up their name and wish you all the best, and be strong. We will pass this and become successful in our life. All the best. Do well.
Hi, myself Dr. Bijoy, HOD Orthodontics. This year we are looking forward to meet you. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Dear students of 2019-20 batch, on this special occasion of completion of your first year, I wish you all the very best to attain your goal. Do well in second year. Thank you all.
Best wishes and blessings to all on this happy moment. May you all fulfill your dreams with flying colors.
கவானியன்ஸுக்கு என்னுடைய வணக்கம். நீங்கள் நம்ம மலபார் பல் மருத்துவமனையில் சேர்ந்து ஒரு வருஷமாக கேள்விப்பட்டேன். நான் அதுக்கு வாழ்த்துக்கள் தெரிவிக்கிறோம். நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் இந்த காலேஜில் நல்லா இருக்கணும். நீங்கள் இன்னும் இந்த 4 வருஷத்துக்கு எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து ஒற்றுமையாக இருக்கணும்னு நான் கடவுளுக்கு வேண்டிக்கிறேன். நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் சந்தோஷமாக ஜாலியாக இருக்கணும். மகிழ்ச்சி.
Hi dear Cavanians, I am proud that I have got the chance to teach you. You are always brave and active. Keep this spirit up. Wish you all the best.
Hi all. എല്ലാവരും സുഖമായിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നു വിചാരിക്കുന്നു, സേഫായിരിക്കുന്നു വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. 1ാം വാർഷികം ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും പ്രാർത്ഥനകളും. ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്. ടേക്ക് കെയർ.
Warm wishes to all my dear students of batch 2019. So happy to be the part of your journey on being future dentists, the smile makers, with love and pride. I wish each and everyone best in the upcoming years, and may there be success on every turn of your life.
മലബാർ ഡെന്റൽ കോളേജിൽ 1 ഇയർ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കവീനിയൻസ് 2K19 ബാച്ചിലെ എല്ലാ സ്റ്റുഡൻസിനും എൻ്റെ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും അനുഗ്രഹവും.
Dear Cavanians, wishing you all the very best. God bless.
ഫസ്റ്റ് ബാച്ച് ഡേ ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന കവീനിയൻസ് 2019 ബാച്ചിലെ എല്ലാവർക്കും എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും.
My dear students, happy to know that you are releasing your 1 year of your academic life in our MDC campus. I wish all the very best for your future year and also for your initiative. Thank you all once again. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.
I wish all the success for the 2019 Cavanians batch. All the best for a bright future. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Hi my dear ones, I wish you all the success for your bright future.
Hi dear students, you all are very brave and active, always keep the spirit up. So work hard and achieve your success. I wish you all the very best.
2019 batch students, I wishing you all success and prosperity in your career. Thank you.
Hi everyone, very happy to hear that Candalians 2K19 is celebrating their 1 year of beautiful journey with MDC on this September 16th. All my blessings and prayers to them. Thank you.
Hi Cavanians, myself Dr. Nikita. Wish you all the very success and happiness for your future journey. I hope we will meet soon and celebrate your next batch day in our college. God bless you all.
Congratulations Cavanians for completing 1 year milestone in MDC. I wish you many more anniversaries and much more success ahead.
Hi students, on the occasion of completing first year of your life in MDC, I wish all the success in the forthcoming years.
Congratulations Cavanians for completing 1 year milestone with Malabar Dental College. I wish you many more success in a years ahead. Good luck. Thank you.
Congratulations 2019 batch for successfully completing 1 year at MDC. I wish you all the very best in all your future endeavors. God bless you all. Take care.
Dear students of 2019 batch, congratulations for completing 1 year of togetherness. In this 1 year, you would have seen lot of ups and downs. You would have made lot of friends and you would have acquired lot of memories to cherish for. Even though my interaction with your batch was very limited, but I guess whatever interaction we had, it was with full fun. What I could make it out with my experience is that you all are loaded with lot of energy, talent and enthusiasm. I wish you all the very best for your life, career and all the examinations. Thank you.
Hi dear students of 2019 BDS Cavanians. Happy to hear that you have completed 1 year of BDS at Malabar Dental College. I wish all the students of 2019 batch all success for your future, both for your professional as well as your personal life. Thank you.